We are going to apply multiplying proper fractions to some real world problems. So in this problem, you can see at the top of your screen that Monica has 3/4 quart of chicken stock. She uses 2/3 of it to make soup. So how much chicken stock is used to make soup and how much chicken stock is left over? So we have our sentence answers ready to fill in here. I'm going to start by looking at my 3/4 chicken stock. So I make my 4 pieces, and I'm going to color in 4 of them, or 3 of the 4. So there's my chicken stock. That's 3/4 of a quart. So this whole box would be a quart, but she's only got 3/4 to start with. She's going to use 2/3 of this to make soup. So I need to split this into 2/3. And 2 of these will be for soup. So this one and this one, those 2 out of 3, and this one is going to be the left over. So the soup is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is equal to 1/2 to make soup. And left is 1, 2, 3 out of 12, or 1/4 in lowest terms left over. We're going to use a second method to do the first problem we did. If she had 3/4 of a quart of chicken stock and she used 2/3 of it to make soup, that means to multiply. I can reduce before I multiply, like we learned, and multiply and get half, which is what we got before. Or I could multiply and then reduce at the end. Now, if she had 3/4 of a quart and she used 1/2, then with a common denominator, that would be 3/4 minus 2/4 would be 1/4 left over, which is what we found a little bit ago with our model. On this remainder question, if he saved 1/4 of the money, then the remainder would be 1/2 minus 1/4, which is 4/4 minus 1/4, which is 3/4 for his remainder. And then he spent 4/9 of 3/4 on the t-shirt. So if I multiply those out, I can reduce. And that would be 1/3. So 1/3 of his money on the DVD. And then the rest on the t-shirt. So that would be the rest of the remainder minus the DVD. Common denominator is 12. So this would be 9/12 minus 4/12 leaves 5/12 for the t-shirt. So there's a second method besides the model that you could also use.